Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in this short wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The van also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and the vehicle features colour coordinated front and rear bumpers. The vehicle also comes with front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design, and the vehicle also comes with mudflaps across all 4 wheels. To the rear of the vehicle, the van comes with the rear-loading barn doors, complete with transporter badging above the number plate as well as a rear-view reverse camera. The vehicle also features rear parking sensors, and taking a look behind the barn doors and into the load area itself. The load area comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Ply lining is available upon request, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. The load area also features 2 lights for illumination as well as a full steel black bulkhead, and a step for easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the driver's cab there is a singular seat with 2 armrests for the driver, accompanied by a twin-seater passenger bench. The van also features some excellent creature comfort, such as this 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system also includes App Connect as well as access to FM and DAB radio stations. Some climate controls, including 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, along with a 12V and 2 USB-C outlets. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel.